I created a flow to create a new opportunity on the account level. First, you select the record type, then you select the primary contact. We're going to choose Arthur Song to look up there. We type in the expected revenue, then we push next. Now what this is going to do is it's going to grab the contact last name and create a new opportunity, and we should be able to see that here. Let me refresh. There we go. It created this new opportunity for us automatically. The amount 200,000, and it automatically put it into needs analysis with a close date of 30 days from today. Automatically does that. And it also created for us in the activity a task that that includes all of these different things that this owner now has to do. So they can put a subject, we can have not started, they can name it, priority is high, then they need to enter the products against the opportunity. So this is a pretty cool flow that I created here with the SaaS Guru Flow course.